Taking a look now at the above list price, and again, here's where we're seeing that trend upwards a little bit. When we take a look at 2024, kind of where we were starting out, and then seeing where we are now, upticking a little bit to that 28% in comparison to finishing down at the end of 2023. That last percentage there we have at 16%. But seeing our peak here, this was that February, March of last year where we started to see those numbers really pop off because of such low inventory that was on the market at the time. And even that, it's funny to say that in comparison to where we ended up, right? I think the tale of last year was really that there was a bunch of inventory out there. So it's funny to reflect back on that spring segment, just in that little window where there was nothing for sale. And I feel like in a couple of pockets that I'm watching right now, that story is continuing. I'm looking in one neighborhood where there's literally nothing for sale for the similar home type. Whereas last year at any given time, there was 8 to 12 homes available that a buyer could go pick up. Right now, there's nothing. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know. Is there anything else in this chart that really sticks out to you?
Well, we are behind where we were last year, that's for sure. We were a little bit higher, probably closer to the 30 to 35% range. I think as well, I think the condo market is softening this as well, because a lot of the condos aren't being sold, aren't being priced under value, trying to hold offers. So that might be one of the reasons we're seeing this. I think detached homes in prime locations that don't have a ton of competition are definitely being priced low, and there's tons of buyers out there for those types of properties.
Yeah, and I think that's important to note for this conversation is when we are evaluating these across our different pockets, you have to separate condo from freehold. You have to separate different pockets because that's the reality of it. This is nice to get a good little pulse on the general vibe, but you and I have spoken about this a few times now. Looking at freehold and condo together, even just to get a feel on what's going on in the market, it's too skewed right now. The condo market is too slow. There's too much inventory. There's not enough stuff selling to be able to accurately look at those overall stats anymore. They truly just need to be separated.
They need to be separated. I fully agree. And